This week, we unveiled some significant changes in leave dates. Let's take a quick look. Click Settings from the main navigation menu to enter a single streamlined hub for user and company preferences. Your personal settings are now front and centre. Choose your date and time format, pick daily or weekly email summaries, and sync your leave records to Outlook or Google Calendar in just a few clicks. Company settings keep the same familiar sections, but every page has been rethought. Information is easier to scan, with clean tables and expandable details. You'll always see clear explanations beside each field, so you always know what you're changing, eliminating surprises. Beyond settings, we've also made visual updates to the wall chart and My Year pages, with bigger improvements on the way, and a major update to the mobile apps coming next year. We've also overhauled support. Click the question mark icon to open the new AI-powered support centre. It's organised in two areas: company management and using leave dates, with articles grouped by category. You can search, ask our AI, or contact our team directly if you need help. Thanks for being part of our journey. We really hope you enjoy the new experience.
Leave dates. Putting the whoop into out of office.